Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an AI model with IBM Watson, full guide step by step clearly. First, visit the IBM Cloud website to create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Watson section in the IBM Cloud dashboard. Select the specific Watson service you want to use, such as Watson Machine Learning or Watson Assistant. After selecting your desired service, click on Create to set up a new instance. Choose the appropriate pricing plan for your project, which can be free or pay as you go. Once the instance is created, navigate to the service dashboard. From here, you can access various tools and options for building your AI model. Determine the type of machine learning model you want to create based on your use case. Next, gather and prepare your data for training the model. Ensure your data is clean, well-structured, and properly labeled to achieve the best results. Upload your data to the Watson service by using the Data Asset feature. Create a new project within Watson Machine Learning to start building your model. Select the Launch Watson Studio option to enter the workspace. From the Watson Studio, create a new notebook for coding your model. Choose the appropriate programming language, such as Python. Begin writing your code to define the model architecture. Utilize Watson's APIs and libraries for various machine learning algorithms. Train your model using the prepared dataset, adjusting the parameters as needed. Monitor the training process to evaluate performance metrics. Once satisfied with the model's accuracy, save your model in Watson. Deploy the model to make it accessible for predictions. Set up endpoints to call your model from other applications or services. Test the model with various inputs to ensure it behaves as expected. Finally, document your model and its functionalities for future references. Congratulations, you have successfully built an AI model with IBM Watson. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.